Hello, guys. In this video, we will tell you the top 3 best ways to use the new Recraft V3 text-to-image AI model for free. As you may know, Recraft V3, also known as Red Panda, is a new model that is surpassing Flux, DALL-E, ideogram, and Stable Diffusion in text-to-image capabilities on the Artificial Analysis website. So let's get started. Tool 1. Search Base Labs. Go to baselabs.ai. Click Sign In. Log in or sign up with your email. Go to Models. Search for Recraft V3. Click Create. Choose Recraft V3 as the model. Enter your prompt. Choose the number of images, size, and other settings if needed. Generate your image. The image is generated. As you can see, it looks very realistic. Click Open in Editor. You also can download the image by pressing the Download button. You can also click the Publish button to share it in Baselab's public library of images. You will receive a few free credits. You can create a new free account once all credits are used up. Tool 2. Search Anakin AI. Go to anakin.ai. Click Launch App. Log in or sign up with your email. Search for Recraft V3. Click Use the app. Enter your prompt and select Other settings. Generate your image. Once again, a very realistic image is generated. Download it. Here, too, you will receive free credits, and you can create a new free account once all credits are used up. Tool 3. Search Recraft AI. Go to Recraft.ai. Click Get Recraft Free. Log in or sign up with your email. After logging in, create a new project. Choose Image. Select the model as needed. Currently, we'll use the Recraft V3 raw model. Enter your prompt. Select size, number of images, and other settings. Click Recraft to generate images. Images are generated. Click Export to download the image as JPG or PNG. Now, let's try using the realistic Recraft V3 model. Enter your prompt and select Other Settings. Click Recraft to generate images. These are very realistic images. Again, click Export to download the images as JPG or PNG. That's all. You will receive 50 credits every day to use for free. Thanks for watching.